New Learning to Communicate, Class 3, Course Book, Lesson 4. Now, again, I am with your helping hands to solve your exercise. The next exercise is Let's Talk. There is a conversation you see there. Just below that, there are two columns, column A and column B. Just you to have to match. Now I explain it. It is already given. You just see how to match. Left side column A, right side column B. Now I explain it one by one. Have a terrible toothache. Then where do we go? See a dentist. Okay. Window panes are dirty. Clean them. Then you see fingernails are very long. Cut them. Bus is late. Take a taxi. Very hot in the room. Open a window. Shoes are worn out. Get a new pair. Got the sum wrong. Do it again. Of course, when our mathematics problem is wrong, then your teacher must tell you that you try again, you do again, then you will get success. Okay, in the next page you see that let's listen at the top of the page, and then it is written let's learn grammar. Now you see there is a match the singular and plural nouns given below. Just I explain it also. You see there man, that is man, child, children, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, mouse, it is quite different. Mouse will be mice, not mouses, that is mice. Woman, that is woman, you will change A to E. Now you see that in man, that is men, MEN, and woman, that will be woman, MEN. Okay. Now just below you see that question number B, tick the correct word from the bracket for each of the sentence. You see there every sentence there is a figure, there is a photograph, you see, and according to the figure you have to pick the correct answer. One, there are so many children are there, you see here many children, we will tick children. Okay, then you see you will tick on children. Then woman, you see that is also plural number. Then feet, then feet. Now the next page, the same types of questions are there. Number 4, you see men, MEN. Then you see teeth, plural number. All these words are plural, singular to plural. You already know about it, I think. You see that teeth, TEETH. Now mice again, you see there so many mice are there. There are mice were near the dustbin. Okay, it is complete now. Now the next exercise, that is the let's use grammar, means that how to use that words, how can we use in our sentences, in our daily sentences. Now see how to fill up. Number 1, don't throw stones at the monkeys. Okay, is it clear to you? Next you see that number 2, put the tomatoes. Okay, that will be tomatoes in the boxes, means that the words are given in the bracket, they are in the singular form, you have to change them into plural form. Is it clear to you? Now 3, you see you will put at first girls. The girls were buying glasses. Okay, is it clear? Next, just below of the exercise, let's enrich our word store. It is very important. You see that there are some words. Now fill in the blanks with the suitable words from those given below. Now the first, number 1 will be find out. 2, come back. Third, go for. Parents go for a walk. Okay. Number 4 you see that will be number 4, the children stood for a while and looked at the tigers in the nature park. Looked at, it is already past tense. Okay. Now see that some of the sentences it is in the present form and some in the past form. Suppose that number 3 you see my parents go for. There will be no any changing. Now see that question number 5, at 5 o'clock in the morning he sets off for his village. Okay, no, set off, that will be set off. Set off. Set off means when we go for a journey, we are going outside, that is the set off. Okay. Now the next page you see question number B, match and make phrases. Phrase, you know that phrase means that the part of the sentence which is not used independently but it is used in the sentence to make it meaningful. Now you see that a row of houses, that you know it very well, collective noun, previous in the grammar chapter I discussed already. A row of houses, a bunch of keys, cluster of stars, a flock of sheep. Okay, a flock of sheep. Now the next, a herd of cows. Question number C. Now fill in the blanks with that words. That is very logical matching. You see that hide is to means that we have to use the past tense of that word, of a green colored words. Hide is to hid, because in the right side you see that the word bite is given and bite is to bit. It is written. So we have to choose the same pattern of the word. So we will use the past tense of hide. Hide is to hid. Throw is to three. Then what will be the present tense of slept? That is sleep. Sleep is to slept. Next you see that already the past tense is given of give, and here you see that there is a blank and past tense is given went. Then what will be the present tense? Present form of went? Go, went, gone. You know already. Go, went, gone. V1 is go. Second form is went. Now go is to went. Is it clear? I think. Now very interesting question is given just below. Let's use the dictionary. You must have the dictionary when you are learning English. You must have dictionary with you. That is very interesting. Words are there. You see that green colored words, and one word is already explained. Vet, a person who treats animals that are sick or injured. You know it very well. When your pets they are suffering from many things else, any diseases, you call vet. Now you see that some words are given there. You should know about the meaning and write down your copy. Suppose that one is the tourists. Who are the tourists? Tourists, the persons, the people who travel for fun. Who travel for fun. Next, astronaut. Astronaut means the person who travels to travels by spacecraft. Okay, a person who travels to space, they are called the persons who travel to the space by the spacecraft, they are called the astronauts. Here it is singular number astronaut, you will write a person. Okay, then acrobat. Acrobat is very interesting person, you see in the picture also, he is an acrobat. Acrobat is a person who acts different activities for entertainment. In the early ages, to entertain the kings and the queens, that kinds of people were there, that kinds of acrobats, they were invited, they were also employed. So how to write? Acrobat is a person who acts different activities for entertainment. Okay, is it clear to you? Now reporter, in your news channel every day you see, you know about them, there are so many reporters come in the different channels and you watch them in TV news, you must know about them and their names also. There are so many popular reporters are there. Reporter is a person who reports for the newspaper and collects the news. Okay, a person who collects the news for the newspaper and for the news channel also. Sculptor. Sculptor in Hindi it is said murtikar. Murtikar. You know that sculptor. Sculptor is a person who makes idol. Who makes idol. Okay, idol images. You know it, like suppose that in Durga Puja and in Diwali, you must have seen there are the sculptors who make very beautiful idols. Now all the exercises already I told you, I discussed you. Now I think you easily get them and you can write in your copies for the for the fair for your examination. Okay.